For the second piece, we now need to find, we have the same functions, the same three, f of x, g of x, and h of x with the same values, but now we need to find the function and domain for f minus h of x. So that means if we've got f minus h of x, that's the same thing as saying I'm taking my f of x function and I'm subtracting my h of x function from it. So x squared minus 2x in parentheses, as those are very important, especially with subtraction. We've got negative 2x squared plus 1. Now we have an x squared minus a negative 2x squared. That gives us a 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 to be our new f minus h of x function. And looking at the domain for f of x and h of x is both all real numbers, or you could use that interval notation of negative infinity to positive infinity once again. And that's it for this piece.